What's up? And I'm here. I have recorded two fucking videos of Pixel Gun. I was making it. The audio was messed up. It was about 20 minutes long. 20 fucking minutes long. And the what the fuck? Audio was messed up. Yeah. I'm really fucking mad. But I'm going to be reacting to more of my old videos that I have made in the past. And yeah, I'm going to be making videos in the past. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, I'm back here in this video. So, we're going to be reacting to some sorry if my voice went deep into like kind of childish. It's because I had kind of deep voice that I can do sometimes. But I'm gonna be reacting to more videos that I have made in the past. And yeah, how about balls? Yeah, amazing. Yeah. Let's watch this video. Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Wait, never mind. I want to see this video first. Oh my fucking god!
I'll take this outside.
We all knew that, me.
Me and Chris, 2 more days later. 2 more days.
Get to the fucking point, me. Oh my fucking god. That doesn't even look like fucking me. Was that me? There's no fucking way. That's... What the fuck? Yeah, I hope that wasn't me because I look like a girl.
What happened?
What happened? What happened? What happened?
It's dark outside?
Yeah. Let's watch. The video was kind of cringy. Cringy, bro. I felt sick today.
What's up, and so?
That sounded like I farted.
I'm not feeling very good. My head hurts.
Sorry if you can't comment on this video. You can comment on this video.
Please watch my videos.
Please watch my videos. That sounds like a thing, like how to get more views and subscribers.
Video's over. Clips. What is it? When eclipse or something?
The eclipse.
It's about clips. About the sun and the moon.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Why does me right there look like that? And in funnel vision, like FGTV, TV. Michael looks way older than me, but he's not. He looks way taller than me. But I mean I don't know that, but he looks way older than me. But in this video, I am.
There's not really much. I can show now.
What the fuck am I doing? Watching Pornhub?
My head hurts so bad since I got out of school.
Let me feel how that hurts. Wait a minute. Give me a second. Wait. I could do it. Like, I can imagine how bad it hurt. Yeah, I think I know. About the solar eclipse thing I said. I said in the video, but I'm too lazy to find it. How Michael like got blind off like how he got blind, but not really. It was just a skit. And I don't know why I keep doing this. That was fucking weird of me. That was so fucking weird. But shit, what the fuck was that? Everything's weird. But yeah, how he got like blinded, but it was really a skit. I said it in the video. I'm sure I find it.
I had to read for 25 minutes. On the sheet it said 30 minutes.
Why am I talking about my school?
I don't really like.
I act like I'm dying.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find it.
Clips. What is it? Pretty cool. So, there's not really much.
Yeah, I didn't know that this video was really close to like my first videos. But yeah. Oh, I thought I deleted this video.
What's up? And so, you only said it so fast.
What's up?
So
What's
I'm gonna
up?
show you how to go on Google Docs.
Yeah, I thought about that. Holy shit. Wait a minute. Let me see what just happened. Oh, okay. I was about to put in my password. And I thought I was gonna put in like my actual password on camera, but I didn't. Just look at it. I thought I did.
I can't see my password.
Yeah, see? Good thing it wasn't a click. Good thing it wasn't a clicky keyboard.
Use another count. Oh my god!
What fucking type of voice is that? Oh my god! That was so fucking weird. Sorry.
Sorry, Harry.
Oh hell no. What the fuck did I just do? I just realized how short my fucking hair was.
Okay. Hi guys. So.
Yeah, this is not one of the videos. I don't know why I put this in the title and not the description. But yeah, I made this a year ago. Maybe 3 years ago. Because I didn't have that intro.
If I didn't make a video.
This is one of the videos that I made when I had that old channel. You know what I'm saying? Like I was talking about like in the video that was called reacting to old videos of myself. Yeah, that was these are one of the videos of it.
I make Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 days.
Yeah, I remember this. This is actually like, yeah, it is like, it's not fake. It actually is an old what's it called? An old video of me. Oh god, sorry if that was disgusting. 3 years ago of me.
to make a paper so I remind myself. And, well, I don't know. I haven't made videos. I've made, what the?
I barely even sound like that anymore. Dude.
Heck?
Dude, I look like I'm like looking in a toilet and I see diarrhea or shit everywhere. Dude, no, I just pretended to see like random things.
My face looks like I'm an old man.
That's because you are, Peter. I'm ugly, that's what. I'm an old man.
So I make.
Like how I paused. That's so fucking weird.
So if you've seen the video, and it's on YouTube.
What fucking video?
My cousin Christian. I didn't wink. I didn't wink at you, people. We didn't just post it. We didn't post it yet.
Oh yeah, we made a video together, but he never posted it. It was me and him. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ah! Oh, no, actually. But it was me and him making a video of us eating warheads. Wait. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I keep pretending there's like a strange creature. I know, I'm just kidding. But
The first video I ever made with my cousin, that was the first video I ever made. I was still in school.
what the fuck? Which video?
This is summer. I'm still in the first season. Month. We made the not the Bean Boozled challenge.
Dude, my voice sounds so fucking different.
Oh, my eyes.
Oh, my eyes.
What was this? Sour Patch? I think Sour Patch.
See, I was telling you guys, it was a Warheads or a Sour Patch. No, it's not the Sour Patch Kids. It was a Warheads.
But it was a very sour candy.
See?
We made that first video with me.
That was the first video I've ever been in. The Sour Patch Kids. And not the, oh my fucking god. The Warheads. Maybe not the first video. Maybe my channel was older than that. My cousin made a channel before I did, but I have more subscribers than him. It's kind of odd. But yeah.
He made a video about his other cousin. He talks about his cousins, not us. He talks about them.
Yeah, kind of. He does. Kind of.
So, well, he just made a video with him.
That was the trampoline. I was scratching the trampoline. It kind of hurt.
He actually with his cousin, like, I don't know, I forgot his name. We've never met. He had a fidget spinner talk.
Yeah, I'll show you in 3, 2, 1. So yeah, this is the video thing. He had a lot of likes, bro. He actually had comments on this video. Maybe one of them.
Show them my fidget. This is his. It has. Show them your fidget. Show them your. Alright, he has none of the colored things, and mine. I only have the. Mine is the red one. It's very good.
He made way more videos older than that though. can't find it. Where is she? Let me try to find it. Dog. No, what if she deleted it? No, fuck. Oh. It was him like 4 years old, but he's 10 today. So it was 4 or 5 years ago. So yeah.
And a fidget spinner situation. I don't know. He made a fidget spinner situation with me and fidget spinners challenge with me. And he did 2 things with his other cousin, 2 things with me. And so I make my own videos. That's when I never made videos ever, and I never knew how to make videos. But now I know how to make videos.
I like how I try to fix my hair.
This isn't my first video.
Yeah.
Well, it probably is. Probably. I don't know. I haven't seen my videos yet. I'm just sitting down. I'm not alone.
What do you mean I'm not alone? You're not alone.
That's why I'm not scared. I'm with you guys.
Oh, disgusting.
Tell me.
The
You're
fuck?
all alone? I can't. I have to show you my friends. I have to show you them. And bro.
What the fuck?
Literally, you think you guys didn't know what?
I stuttered like 5 times.
You guys didn't see what happened? I almost got chased by a squirrel.
Yeah, I made a 40-minute video and I couldn't upload it for some reason. And yeah, let's go back.
The squirrel just went up in the trees and I just ran.
Yeah, that's what happened. I remember that.
Trampoline. So he was right there, right there. You see the vines right there? Okay, last thing.
The fuck? What am I doing?
I don't say bad words.
What the fuck do you mean? What the fuck?
That's why I try to be nice. Gosh. Oh no, she's knocking at it. No.
The fuck do I? What?
Did you guys see that? Oh, you're looking that way. You're supposed to look that way.
What am I talking about?
Oh my god. My god. She bumped into again. How is she not? Then why is she with this? Oh my god, did she bump into it again or she not? Oh my. She went on it. I see her. But she doesn't see me.
What the fuck was I talking about? What the fuck?
Okay, I pause it.
What do you mean you pause it, Chris? I said, what do you mean you pause it, Chris? If you didn't hear me.
I'm gonna put your phone right here.
That looked like I scraped my phone. Scraped my phone. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this video right here. And can you be quiet, dog? Right now. So yeah, bye.